Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. As you may have seen in the news last week, the Andrew, formerly known as Prince, was arrested. This is part of the ongoing police investigation into information in the Epstein Files. And even though Andrew Mountbatten Windsor is no longer officially a member of the royal family, he is still the brother of the king. And the fact that he's been arrested is quite remarkable. The last member of the royal family to be arrested was Charles I, back in 1649, before he had his head cut off. I think it's excellent that these investigations are going on, and obviously I hope that he gets to face justice, if that's what should happen. My wife is a bit more cynical than me, and when we were discussing it the other day, she said, "Nah, it's good, but you know that for sure he's going to walk away scot-free. He'll get off scot-free." If someone gets off or walks away scot-free, they escape punishment. They don't get the expected or deserved punishment. So maybe a case actually ends up going to court, but the person that you think should be found guilty is let off scot-free. Sometimes gang members cut deals with the police, and in return for testifying against the big bosses, the heads of the gang, they get off scot-free. And one of the sources of great anger, not only in the UK, I imagine, across Europe, is the fact that back in 2008, 2009, the bankers who ruined the economy went scot-free, while the rest of us suffered the consequences of a wrecked economy. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use scot-free.